Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be looking at FibSwap chart. This is a traffic light chart for FibSwap. I haven't spoken about FibSwap in a while on video, but at this moment, this price, to me in my opinion, represents a brilliant buying opportunity for this. There's loads going on in the background. They've just updated their DEX just now as well, 1.4, and they're going to be updating that as we go along. They're going to be bringing out 6 chains on the DEX. That means you can swap between the 6 different chains just now. So FibSwap is looking fantastic from a fundamental point of view. They've got venture capitalist firms they're talking to as well. Hopefully there's going to be news soon about that as well. Going into 2022, I think this represents an absolute steal for FibSwap just now. So we can see at the moment we're at 3.2 tenths of a cent for FibSwap. Now you can see this huge run up. I think it did 140x or even a 200x at one point, but this has had a huge run up and it's come back down since. So it's had a big drop of about 85%, which is nothing new in crypto, but this could represent a big buying opportunity. I've been buying it myself. So we have major support at around about 2.8 tenths of a cent. We've got resistance at the 1 cent area. We've got further resistance at 1.6, and then we've got the all-time high around about the 2.1 cent area as well. So it's looking good. You can see it's on a downward slope. So you can see very clearly we're in a descending triangle at the moment for FibSwap, and it's coming to the kind of pinnacle of what way it's going to decide to go. But if we look at this from a technical analysis point of view, and we'll do this kind of triangle here. Now I love descending triangles because a lot of people think, oh, it's just going to continue going to the downside, but usually when it breaks out to the upside, it does a big huge move. So I'm thinking we could do something like this for FibSwap and do a measured breakout around about this area up to the 1.4 cent area if we break out from this descending triangle just now. So it could represent a brilliant buying opportunity. Now if it does go down from here, we're looking at 1 tenth of a cent area, or 1.1 tenths of a cent area from here. I don't think it's going to do that. I think they're getting their ducks in a row just now. They're working on the DEX all the time. They're bringing out more chains to the DEX as well. All they need to do now is onboard the users for the DEX to actually start using it all the time as a cross-chain swap DEX as well. But I've been buying more. As I said, I think at these prices it represents a brilliant opportunity. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but we've got good support here. We've got a brilliant community behind it as well, and we've got a brilliant leader in Fibonacci as well. Okay, that's it for just now. Until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.